Welcome back to Business Today. Most organizations have cited inadequate resources and personnel as a major challenge in their bid to achieve data protection and privacy compliance in line with the Data Protection Act. A new survey has shown this. Ernst & Young Data Report Survey further found out that data leakage and controlling IT from being accessed by third parties within and outside the organization also proved to be another major challenge organizations find even as they try to comply with the Data Protection Act.
I think we're encouraged to see the progress from the survey we did last year to this year. There's a much higher level of awareness that they are required to have this Office of the Data Protection Officer in place, and the level of compliance is at about between 60 and 70%, which is quite good. But we would like to see a higher level of compliance in terms of putting the Data Protection Office in place.
That it is your responsibility as a data controller and processor to actually comply with the Data Protection Act, so that when it comes to questions around compliance, you're not caught flat-footed. Coming to the question that was asked, are we satisfied? Of course, we'd want more as an office. We'd want more, but like any organization that is starting a journey, we are not yet there. Our prayer is we see tremendous improvement. And I have to say we've seen improvement in the last 1 year. We want to see more. And our prayer, and why I'm here today, is part of the collaboration to make sure we are partnering with the organization in as far as this is concerned.
Now on to matters cost of living and subsidies. Kenyans are contending with the recent hike in fuel prices, as this is expected to raise the cost of living. President William Ruto, whose agenda is tied on economic recovery, has stated that the government may not be able to sustain the fuel subsidy program, which his administration suspended actually